This tutorial covers the settings for metrology reporting. We can access the app settings dialog box from these areas, from the dashboard level or from the part level. The settings dialog is divided into these 6 tabs. The Parts tab allows us to control the warning limits and ppm calculations in metrology reporting. The Control Checks tab allows us to activate specific dimensional rules for new data coming in. These look for anomalies in the data, and we can control the sample size of the dataset to evaluate. The Statistics tab allows us to control the sample size used for standard deviation calculations. With the Sample Report tab, we can modify what information the sample report shows, such as whether to show the algorithm column and the reference standard column, as well as what color to use for the dimension headers. With the Precision tab, we can control over many decimal places to use when showing different types of data. Changes are applied wherever that data is shown, such as in the CAD report, in the Summary tab of the Measurements Summary panel, and in the Sample report. The Data Links tab only appears if we access the Settings dialog box from within a specific part tile. It allows us to unlink measurement programs to remove them from a part tile. Or we can link unlinked programs to a part tile. We can also see that there's a drop-down list in each of the Settings tabs that controls the scope of the settings. For example, we can determine whether the settings changes we make in a tab should affect just the current part, the currently filtered set of parts, all parts, or if they set the defaults for any new parts created in the future.